Hello everyone and very good afternoon. So today we this class will be just an introduction class. So largely in today's class we will be interacting and yes, I'm very much happy to be able to interact with new batch of students. How is everybody else? Just let me know first. Just send me a little or big hello first so that I can just understand that you all people are there and watching me. After that, I will introduce myself a bit and then I will hear from you people as well. So chalo, jaldi se. Just waiting for some more minutes so that more people can join. Okay. After that, we will be starting. Meanwhile, if anyone has to say anything, please, most welcome. Chalo, one more minute. JNB Rajkot. How are you all? कैसे हो सभी? How was your vacation and all? You all must have got that Zoom link, na? Zoom link to attend classes, right? So you can attend through that Zoom link also, क्योंकि schools में you must be having tablets. Done. So you can just make sure you have access to all those things so that our interaction can become more easier. Okay. So try joining more and more through more and more system. I mean, still many of you are watching me, but I want you all to join through individual things. Done. So that we can interact. क्योंकि जब तक interaction नहीं होगा, how we will come to know shortcomings and also the good points going on. Done. So ये जरूरी है. चलो. So my name is Akshmala and I will be teaching you all physics. Done. So for the next 1 year, I commit myself to you people and I will be solving each and every kinds of doubt you people will be having in physics. Done. So I will make sure कि I help you as much as possible. But मैं ज्यादा से ज्यादा help कर सकूं, for that you also need to commit something, and that is कि you will attend classes daily. Again, attending class is not the only thing. Whatever is happening in the class, जैसे theories are getting taught, so after going back to your rooms, you need to revise whatever homework you are getting. You need to do that. Done. It should not happen ki yes, today you are joining and tomorrow you're not. Again, after 2 or 3 days, you're joining. Again, you're not. So this off and on joining of classes won't help you. Done. तो मैं आप सबको हेल्प कर पाऊँ इसके लिए ये जरूरी है कि you people also maintain the continuity. Continuity is very important, यार. Like most of the students sitting here must be like aiming for G or NEET, है ना? Either आप लोग G का सोच रहे हो या NEET का सोच रहे हो. So the thing is कि how to reach there, So there are small steps, some small steps you have already taken. Done. You have already studied lots of things in your class 11. Definitely that will be helping you in reaching there. Done. But what else need to be done? Done. तो हमें क्या करना है, कैसे कैसे करेंगे? First thing is, yes, commitment should be there. You should attend the classes. उसके बाद like whatever topic is getting taught, you should try to do as much as question as you can. Clear है? Questions काफी ज्यादा करने हैं. अगर you people are not doing questions, you won't get comfortable with exam pattern वाला thing. Done. क्योंकि what happens ना, sometimes like theories are in our head, we know the concept, but in the examination hall what happens, we fail to solve the question. क्यों होता है ऐसा? ऐसा इसलिए होता है कि you know what is friction. You know friction is equal to mu n. but you don't know how to calculate in, you don't know how to like write free body diagram for questions involving friction. So agar aap what you know but how you don't know, then you won't be able to apply. So for application thing to be clear in your head, what is important, you must be solving as much as question you can. ठीक है, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि क्लास में पढ़ा दिया गया, certain things you have studied and now you just need to go through the theories और उसके बाद कॉपी बंद हो गया, तो ये तो हेल्पफुल नहीं होगा. इससे क्या होगा कि whatever questions you will be getting in your midterm or something kind of, वहां तो आप solve, वहां तो आप आंसर कर लोगे, but in competitive exams questions you won't be able to crack. So for that you need to solve lots of questions. तो जब भी आपके पास टाइम विंडो हो, please try to do lots of questions. Done. So question solving is very much important and continuity is very much important. Third thing that I want to stress here is your testing. ठीक है, so test will happen. Test will happen first. We will be going through chapter tests and all. So whenever test is happening, what should be your role? So the first role is key on whichever date your test is there, you will be coming to class, you will be attending test, and you will be solving questions that you know. This is simple, right? तो ये तो सब लोग करेंगे, but what's your duty after the test is over? कभी कभी ऐसा होता है, टेस्ट इज ओवर, सपोज कर लो देयर वर 30 क्वेश्चन एंड सम ऑफ यू आर ओनली एबल टू सॉल्व सम 10 क्वेश्चन और सम 8 क्वेश्चंस ओनली. तो आफ्टर टेस्ट यू पीपल आर फीलिंग लाइक कि यार ये तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं, हमने इतनी मेहनत की थी, 30 क्वेश्चन से ओनली वी सॉल्व 8 क्वेश्चन, तो पढ़ने का कोई फायदा नहीं है, तो चलो अब से टेस्ट नहीं देते. दिस शुड नॉट बी द स्ट्रेटेजी. क्या है, 30 क्वेश्चन से suddenly it won't happen, you will be solving 28 question or 29 question. No, this is not the natural process, it doesn't happen. Done. तो टेस्ट के बाद करना क्या है, whatever question you have done, first thing be happy with that. 8 क्वेश्चन आपने सॉल्व किया, be happy that you have solved 8 question. Even if you have done 5, be happy with that. Done. Next step is what? Next step is whatever rest question you couldn't attempt, just sit with those questions. उन क्वेश्चन को लेकर आप बैठो एंड डोंट जस्ट गो टू द सॉल्यूशन, क्योंकि टेस्ट के बाद आपको सॉल्यूशन मिलेगा. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि जस्ट ओपन द सॉल्यूशन एंड ट्राई सॉल्विंग दोस क्वेश्चन. नहीं, ये नहीं करना. सॉल्यूशन पहले नहीं खोलना है. पहले क्या करना है, जो भी क्वेश्चन है उन क्वेश्चंस को ज्यादा टाइम लेकर खुद से करने की कोशिश करनी है. सो यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट इट अगेन विदाउट लुकिंग इनटू द सॉल्यूशन. सो व्हाई इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट, क्योंकि suppose कर लो you have one question and that question is difficult. ठीक है, तो difficult, by looking at that question you felt like कि नहीं यार ये तो मुझसे नहीं होगा. So what you will do instantly, you will look into the solution. This is not the right strategy. Why? क्योंकि अगर आप difficult question भी है, if you are giving it time, suppose you are giving it some 10 minutes in your room, so you are sitting with the question, you are talking with the question, you are interacting with it. Done. And in that interaction, question will also give back something to you. Done. कुछ ना कुछ concept आपकी like you will become more and more कि इसमें और क्या क्या लग सकता है, क्या क्या हो सकता है. तो kind of कि the more we sit with question, more we learn. Done. And even after 10 minutes you are not able to solve, now you can look into the solution. That will be helpful. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि whichever question you are not knowing, it's not like it directly jump to the solution. That's not the right approach. That won't help you in the process of learning. Done. So test देने के बाद is your duty is not over. Still you have duty and more duty, I must say. तो question के साथ बैठना है. You have to give it time. You have to solve it. Even then it's not happening, you can look into solution. You can discuss with your friends. Done. So this thing you can do, and you can also talk with your teacher. You can contact me through whatever means possible. Done. So I will be very happy to help you with any kind of problems you will be getting ahead for this 1 year ahead. Done. So chalo. So this is thing. So what I want, I am very much willing to give my commitment to you people. At the same time, I want your commitment. This is the simple line I want to say. ठीक है. तो आज के क्लास में ना मैं थोड़ा सा ये डिस्कस करना चाहती हूँ कि which types of questions, not types of, like which chapter weightage is how much in our competitive exam. ठीक है, तो चलो एक बार देखते हैं हौले हौले. And for both G and NEET, I must say कि weightage won't differ much. It won't differ much. ठीक है, तो चलो देखते हैं. और टेंशन किसी को भी नहीं लेना कि जैसे होता है ना, स्टूडेंट्स के दिमाग में प्रेशर होता है, यार what if after 1 year I don't get this much marks, I don't get that much marks. Don't think about what will happen after 1 year. Done. Think about how you can utilize today, how you can utilize tomorrow, and this small utilization will actually help you score marks. ठीक है, एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू, जैसे मैं एग्जैजरेट नहीं कर रही, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू, गेटिंग 180 190 मार्क्स इन जी is very much easy, very much easy. I'm saying this is easy. Beyond it, if you are really working hard and with passion, yes, 200 235 40 marks, again very easy. Done. So getting marks is not difficult. Also in NEET में अभी क्या है देखो, you need to score more to get into good college. You need to score more. Again, questions don't used to be that difficult, but what matters is your speed. In NEET exam, your speed will matter a lot, and that speed will come from where? वो speed आप कैसे speed gain करोगे? By doing lots of questions, by appearing in test honestly, and after test doing test analysis properly, honestly. Again, done. So NEET के लिए भी you can score very easily mark. Questions are not that difficult. In physics, I must say, out of if 45 questions you have to do, you can do 38 39 questions very easily. Done. तो चलो टॉपिक वाइज पहले हम लोग वेटेज फॉर बोथ जी एंड नीट, you will see later कि सेम ही है almost. ठीक है, almost सेम है. तो let's dive first deep into what G. ऐसा नहीं है मैं फेवरेटिज्म नहीं कर रही. Why first G? क्योंकि मैं अल्फाबेट से जा रही हूँ, जैसे J and NEET starts from N, तो J comes before, इसलिए मैं G से जा रही हूँ. ठीक है, तो चलो G देखते हैं. what will be your topic wise weightage. Now let's look at it carefully. ठीक है, क्योंकि for another whole 1 year we won't be doing this. ठीक है, तो चलो देखते हैं. Electrostat. In the electrostat, how many questions generally come? 3 to 4 questions. Done. So here I have written 3 questions. 3 questions you will be getting. Then from which topic? So from under electrostat, what we will be reading, that we will get to know gradually as classes will unfold. I know that we don't need to worry about. But electrostat, basically we will learn electric. What happens when charge is in rest? That is electrostat. यहाँ से हमें 3 question मिलेगा. Current electricity, again very easy topic. And from here 2 to 3 questions we will be getting. Done. Again, we can crack it very easily. These 3 questions also we can crack very easily. These 3 also we can crack very easily. Magnetic effect of electric current से 1 question होगा. Magnetism and matter 1 question. Electromagnetic induction and AC 2 question, means 1 from EMI, another from AC. And electromagnetic waves, totally a theoretical topic. है ना, यहाँ से बोर्ड में भी क्वेश्चन आता है. So whatever you will be learning for board, the same thing will be coming handy here for G and NEET. ठीक है, so 1 questions you will be getting in both G and NEET. So ऐसा है. Now you must be thinking how many questions it's getting added to? 3 plus 3 6 7 8 2 10 11. So if you're thinking like कि हमने तो 11th सपोज कर लो ऐसा. I have been to Navodaya. I have taught Navodaya students for 4 to 5 years being in campus. So I know the very nature of you people. In class 11th, what happens generally? बच्चे पढ़ते नहीं, कम पढ़ते. कुछ बच्चे होते हैं जो पढ़ते हैं, but generally I have seen the pattern कि people are not very much serious in class 11th. So if you're thinking like in topic से तो अभी 11 question हो गए. So if I'm reading this 12th topic properly, will I be able to crack this 11th question? If I ignore class 11 completely, so I will say no. Kyunki when you're going to solve the question of electrostat, so from electrostat, what things of class 11th you require? So you require what is that vector thing. You must know how to add vectors. You must know how to subtract vector, how to do the cross multiplication, how to do the dot product. So yes, vector thing you must be aware of. Again, more maths you require here, and that is your differentiation and integration. ठीक है, some more concepts जो कि मैं class जैसे जैसे unfold होगा, definitely I will discuss in bit by bit, but in detail I won't be going to vector ना, क्योंकि that you have already studied in class 11th. So I will suggest you to revise such things to be able to add vectors geometrically and mathematically. Okay, so make sure कि you are good in this also. Okay, differentiation integration. Yeah, this is very common mistake that students very often do. जैसे क्लास 11 से ही बताया जाता है फिजिक्स में कि डू डिफरेंशिएशन, डू इंटीग्रेशन इवन टू बायोलॉजी स्टूडेंट्स की, क्योंकि दैट विल बी कमिंग इन यूज. लेकिन बच्चे क्या करते हैं ना, इग्नोर करते हैं. वो सोचते हैं कि चलो ठीक है, इन सम क्वेश्चन wherever there will be application of differentiation integration, we will leave that question, but it's not possible. Yeah, everywhere you will be getting it's huge, so it's not possible. तो अगर अभी भी टाइम है, आई एम सेइंग अभी भी टाइम, डन. 1 year is too huge time, so अभी भी टाइम है. तुम सोच रहे हो जनवरी में जाऊंगा तो 1 year से कम है, but still चलो ठीक, फिर भी टाइम. So what you do, क्योंकि if you want to practice differentiation in integration, hardly it will take you some 7 to 8 hours rigorously if you do. ठीक है, all sorts of integration differentiation if you do, otherwise it will take 1 to 2 hours. ठीक है, so still you can do. So differentiation integration, some more basic mathematics you will require, so that I will tell in the class also. जैसे maths के student must be aware of binomial expansion and all. So in physics, the very basic thing that we always use is 1 plus x to the power n. वो हम लोग हमेशा लिखते हैं 1 plus nx when x is far less than 1. So this thing will also coming in use later. So maths, definitely, if you are ignoring maths, you are not going to solve all the questions. नहीं हो पाएगा, बहुत मुश्किल होगा. Let me tell you first. So truth भी पता होना चाहिए हमें. Done. So you should be comfortable with differentiation, integration, and basic mathematics, right? Second thing is your graph. Graph से भी you should be very much aware how to draw a straight line graph. क्या क्या graph में तुम्हें जानना है? I am just writing so that you can go through the topics again. So a straight line का graph कैसे बनाते हैं? Go through that. Also see कि what used to be the equation of parabola. Important है. Hyperbola, ठीक है, and circle. Straight line का graph, if you know the equation of parabola, you will be able to draw its graph as well, है ना. parabola कैसे दिखता है? कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. So अगर कुछ solve करने के बाद you are getting equation and that equation seems like equation of parabola, so you can clearly see equation of graph will look something like this, upward open, downward open, something like this, है ना. So you have to acquaint yourself, or you have to you have to go through straight line, parabola, hyperbola, circle. ठीक है, तो ये सारी चीजें दिमाग में रखनी है. Second, another maths thing that will be coming in use is later, not in electrostat, but somewhere we will be getting is trigonometry. So trigonometry का basic चीज पता होना चाहिए. So you will be able to solve this 11 questions if you know basic mathematics and if you know basic physics of class 11. So you can't think like ignore 11th class, let's move ahead with the class 12. No, it's not the wise idea, I must say now. ठीक है, तो कुछ ऐसा है. अब देखो आगे की टॉपिक में क्या है. ray optics, wave optics, done. And wave optics will be very easy for those students who have already studied studied properly which topic. कौन सा topic 11th में पढ़ना था? Wave on a string. You must have studied sound wave and all. So if you have studied those topics, this topic is going to be very easy for you. Again, those who have not paid attention, again, no worry, because when I will be teaching wave optics, I will be letting you understand from the very beginning so that you will be getting each and every. So nothing to worry about, but yes, those who have studied class 11th wave wala topic properly, they have that upper hand, that benefit. ठीक है. So ray optics, wave optics, again 3 question. ठीक है. एटम एंड न्यूक्लियर, अब देखो ये जनरली दिस टॉपिक को मैं एक कैटेगरी में लेकर चली जाती हूँ, एंड दैट आई कॉल इट मॉडर्न फिजिक्स. ठीक है. जस्ट एक्सक्लूड this communication system. So atom and nuclei, dual nature of radiation, semiconductor, electronics. So modern. Again, from here, I have just written here 3 questions, but mostly 3, 4, 5 questions kind of comes each and every year. Okay. So again, high weightage thing. Now, if you understand the nature of these topics, so these are very easy chapters, very easy. Okay. Done. So from here you can definitely solve these questions. If some 3 or 4 question is coming from these portions, you won't miss it if you have really followed the class. So this is something where you should be very much sure कि हाँ ये तो होने वाला है, ये तो कर ही लेंगे. Again, from the communication system also, pure sort you are going to solve it. 1 question. Done. So if you add all the question numbers from class 12 portion, so it will sum up to something 17 to 18 question. So सोच लो, from class 12, even if you are following class 12 properly, you will be able to solve 17 से 18 question given you know the basic physics of class 11 and basic mathematics. ठीक है. तो 17-18 question भी तो कम नहीं है ना. So being sincere about class 12 is also going to help you a lot. Done. क्लियर है. अब देखो 11th क्लास की बात करते हैं. अगर 11th क्लास को आपने सही से नहीं पढ़ा है, बट स्टिल इफ यू वांट टू इंक्रीज योर क्वेश्चन नंबर फ्रॉम 17-18 टू सम 21, 22 और 23. ठीक है. सपोज करो above 20 you want to make it. So above 20 if you want to make it, you will have to solve some question from class 11th also, which questions we can do easily even if we have not studied class 11 properly. तो चलो उस पे चलो, लेकिन पहले मैं वेटेज बता दूं. So unit and dimension say you will be getting 1 question. From kinematics you will be getting 2 question from where एक क्वेश्चन होगा तुम्हारा 1D motion से and another question will be from 2D motion. So that is kinematics. Kinematics means whatever involves the study of motion like acceleration, velocity, displacement and all distance. ठीक है. From laws of motion you will be getting 1 question. Work energy power 1, rotation 1, gravitation 1. ठीक है. तो अब आप यहाँ आ जाओ. Properties of solids and fluids. Again, very low weightage topic this is. अगर आपने इसको नहीं पढ़ा है तो you can ignore it. Done. तो properties of solid and fluid दोनों से ही मिलकर एक क्वेश्चन आएगा. Either one question will come from here. If question is coming from here, you won't be getting any question from here. Something like that has been the pattern since last 4 or 5 years. Okay. Now, thermodynamics and kinetic theory of gases, thermal properties of matter. This is what I focus on if a student has not studied class 11 properly. So this I call thermal physics. Okay. So thermal physics say you will be getting minimum 4 questions. Okay. So 4 questions you are going to get. Now, how you can do this easily? First thing is कि chemistry में भी आपने इस चीज को पढ़ा है. Most of it you have studied in chemistry also, like work done in adiabatic process, isothermal, so many things, like so many topics that you will be reading in physics under thermodynamics and kinetic theory of gases. Those topics you have also studied in class in chemistry with slight variations and modifications. Done. So if I try to make you understand these 2 chapters in very little time, it is very much possible. ठीक है. Very little time मतलब like in 4-5 classes I can make you understand these 2 topics very easily so that you will be able to solve this 4 questions. ठीक है. So 17-18 question from class 12 all I am counting, and 4 here, so 22 something, 21, 22, and it won't happen like you won't be able to solve any question from here. Unit and dimension, very easy topic, है ना? So from here, one question you can easily crack. Again, gravitation. If you have understood electrostat properly, you will be able to solve question from gravitation, because there is great resemblance between gravitation and what is that, electrostat. So gravitation और electrostat में बहुत ज़्यादा resemblance है. Either of one is clear, another one you will be able to like understand more easily. मैं ऐसा नहीं कहूंगी कि आपने gravitation पढ़ लिया तो electrostat समझ गया, बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं है. But yes, there is resemblance. It will be more easier to understand them. So gravitation also we can count in. तो यहाँ से 1, 2 and 2 from this side and 4 from this side. So 6 question answering. So 5, 6 question. अब देखो अब यहाँ पे आते हैं क्लास 12. अगर तुम सपोज कर लो 17-18 क्वेश्चन है गिवन, सपोज कर लो मैं 15 क्वेश्चन ही लेती हूँ, एंड फ्रॉम क्लास 11th आई एम सेइंग 5 क्वेश्चन. सो स्टिल 15 + 5 20 20 क्वेश्चंस यू आर स्टिल एबल टू सॉल्व. ठीक है, 20 क्वेश्चन मींस हाउ मच मार्क्स? 80 मार्क्स यू गेटिंग फ्रॉम हियर ओनली, फ्रॉम फिजिक्स. Done. And if you're getting 80 marks out of physics, in chemistry you can easily maintain 80 marks here, and in mathematics also 80 marks. So 240 तो ऐसे ही हो गया, समझ रहे हो? चलो ठीक है, मैं और भी रिलैक्सेशन दे देती हूँ, इसमें से भी मैं 40 हटा देती हूँ. स्टिल 200 मार्क्स you're getting it. समझ रहे हो? तो what you have to do? देखो मैं ये कहूंगी लोग एग्जाम क्रैक क्यों नहीं कर पाते. रीजन इज वेरी मच सिंपल. फर्स्ट थिंग इज कि वी डोंट कैरी एनी काइंड ऑफ प्लान. We don't have any plan in the hand. What happens? Everyday class is happening. We go, we attend, we come, we take food, we sleep, we wake up, we again follow a routine not made by us, made by others for us. तो दूसरे तुम्हारे लिए रूटीन बनाएंगे, उसको तुम फॉलो करोगे तो नथिंग इज गोइंग टू हैपन. ठीक है, प्लान इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट, और क्लैरिटी शुड बी देयर. यू शुड बी क्लियर अबाउट हाउ मच यू नो, हाउ मच मोर यू नीड टू नो in order to score marks. And if you have 200 marks now, even if you are in general category, you're going to get a good college, right? Done. So it's very easy. Any doubt, anyone, anything? तब से मैं बोल रही हूँ. Anyone has to say anything? कुछ भी? And I want more attendance. आज मैं एक चीज बहुत ही क्लियर बता दूं, क्योंकि I want you all to join classes through Zoom link, through your own system. Own system कहने का मतलब you people are in Navodaya schools, right? I know, but there is some tablet thing na in your schools that you can access. From there you can log in and you can attend classes. क्योंकि क्या होगा ना, if each individual student is joining through the link, then I will be very easily able to communicate with each and every person. So communication is very important now. If you are having doubt, so what will happen? You need to write it to me. So class में आप मुझे लिख सकते हो. If you are having, if you are logged in through your own system, through your own tablet, and that you can access. The one that is present in your school ना, है ना schools में? Any doubt, anyone? कुछ कहना है? डाउट की क्या जरूरत, डाउट तो कुछ होगा नहीं, but if anything you have to say. Yes, for need of students, I will also move ahead. नहीं, तुम लोग लिख नहीं पाओगे ना, क्योंकि सब लोग collectively join किए हो, I guess. Okay, no issues. चलो, but I want you to carry positivity from today's class, and that positivity should fuel your each and every step for another 1 year. Daily, obviously, through words, I will be keep on giving you motivation. I like whenever you are interacting with me, you won't get that negative energy. You will be always like feeling positive. But यार दूसरों से पॉजिटिविटी लेने का कोई फायदा नहीं होता है. दैट पॉजिटिविटी शुड कम आउट ऑफ योरसेल्फ, एंड दैट पॉजिटिविटी विल ओनली कम आउट ऑफ योरसेल्फ. ओनली इट विल कम आउट ऑफ योरसेल्फ when you will start working. So it's very important कि from today onwards you become very much serious about your routine and your things that you are doing. ठीक है, बहुत ज्यादा सीरियस होना है, बहुत ज्यादा सीरियस, ऐसा भी नहीं कि चुपचाप बैठ जाना है, यू हैव टू प्ले व्हेनेवर यू गेट टाइम, डोंट वरी। तो लाइट रहना है बट काम करना है, दैट्स द थिंग। तो नीट वाले स्टूडेंट्स के लिए like total marks 720 ना, and if you're general student, क्योंकि यार सबकी बात करनी होगी, तो if you're general student you must score, मैं तो कहूंगी 630 635 ऐसा टाइप से, but above 610 you definitely need to score for some states if you want to get into even any government state college, right? For getting into AIIMS you need to score above 640, then only you will be getting into some AIIMS. Done. For top AIIMS definitely yaar you need to touch up to 700 680 690 kind of, तो डन है, देखते हैं। बट फिजिक्स बहुत इजी है, मैं एक चीज बताऊंगी, फिजिक्स इज वेरी मच इजी, वेरी मच। तो देखो इलेक्ट्रोस्टैट यहाँ भी कैरी हाई वेटेज, इट हैज 4 क्वेश्चन। करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज अ स्मॉल चैप्टर बट देखो वेटेज इज वेरी मच, 5 क्वेश्चंस। मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, दो टॉपिक इज वेरी इजी, व्हेन वी विल स्टडी it will be very easy. Magnetism and matter, easy one, only one question. EMI and AC, again 2 questions just like G. Electromagnetic wave, just like G, 1 question you will be getting. Done. So how much total question here? 10 to 12 14 15, so 15 question तो मुझे यही मिल गए from class 12 first part. Again same rules applies here, basic mathematics should be with you, basic knowledge of class 11th physics should be there, vector and all, basic kinematics and all, that should be with you. Done. So given that you can easily solve this 15 question, ठीक है? तो ये 15 तो आप कर ही सकते हो। अब देखो रे ऑप्टिक्स, वेव ऑप्टिक्स, here also how much question, how many questions? 5 questions. In G there was 3 questions, क्योंकि obviously in G there are less number of questions ना, in NEET there are more number of questions. So but weightage is same in both. So यहाँ पे आप देख लो 5 questions you're getting. Atom and nuclei, dual nature semiconductor, again term, couple it under modern physics. So how many questions? 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, so 7 questions. Just see, from the modern physics you're getting 7 questions, and that is all based on the theory. So if your teacher is wise and if you are very much committed, you are very clearly grabbing this 6-7 question very easy. तो ये हो गया 7 question, ये हो गया 5 question। 12 तो यहाँ से हो गया, communication is not there in NEET, ठीक है? ये है नहीं, syllabus में नहीं। Done. So 7 plus 5 how much? 12. और यहाँ पे कितने question थे? 15। 15 plus 12 कितने हो गए? 27। तो 27 questions almost approximately you will be getting from class 12 person, used number, है ना? And out of this 27 you can like you can very easily do all these 27, but ठीक है, margin लेना है तो ले लो, 25 questions you must be doing ना। Rest, how much question is left? How many more questions you need to do? तो चलो 11th class चलते। 11th class again unit and dimension, very easy, 1 question, same like G. Kinematics 3, there it was 2, तो यहाँ पे 3 है। Again it will include both 2D and 1D. Laws of motion से 3 question होगा, work energy 2, rotation 2, gravitation 2. Again gravitation you can solve. चलो मैं वही टॉपिक्स को लेती हूँ जो इजी है। सो यूनिट एंड डायमेंशन, जनरली इफ यू हैव नॉट स्टडीड प्रॉपरली क्लास 11th फिजिक्स, which topics of class 11th still you can carry from this portion, तो आप you can go with unit and dimension. Unit and dimension कर सकते हो आप, this one. And kinematics you can do easily. देखो laws of motion, rotation, these things require practice. और अगर ये आपने पहले नहीं किया है तो it becomes a bit difficult, but it's not impossible to get done again, but difficult. Gravitation, so 3 4 2 6 questions I must say कि from here also you can take, ठीक है? अब यहाँ पे आप देख लो, पहले मैं मॉडर्न फिजिक्स पे जाती हूँ, सॉरी थर्मल फिजिक्स पे जाती हूँ। So here 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. So here you are getting how much questions? 5 questions you are getting, right? 5 questions. Oscillation and waves, again, this is also a easy topic, क्योंकि if you are reading wave optics, after reading wave optics, you, अगर तुम sincere student हो ना, what will happen if I have taught you wave optics, come to oscillation and wave, try going through notes, क्वेश्चंस करने की कोशिश करो, लर्न करने की कोशिश करो, एंड ट्राई ग्रैपिंग दिस टू क्वेश्चंस. इट इज पॉसिबल. डाउट हो लेट मी नो. आई एम देयर ऑलवेज. तो यहाँ से देखो, अब अभी मैं इस दो को ऐसे भी कैंसिल करती हूँ. तो अभी आप देख लो हाउ मेनी क्वेश्चन. दिस टू टॉपिक्स आर वेरी इजी यार. यहाँ से क्वेश्चन बहुत इजी आते हैं, नीट बहुत ही इजी आते हैं. तो आप देख लो कितने क्वेश्चंस हुए यहाँ से. चलो मैं फिर भी 5 ही लेती हूँ. एंड फ्रॉम हियर इट इज 6, so 11. And from 12, I have taken how much? 25, suppose. So 11 plus 25. How many questions? 36. मैंने बहुत चीजों को इग्नोर किया. Still, it is adding up to how many? 36. Again, 36 questions you are able to do. How many marks? So 4 marks. Each will carry 4 marks. So this is 4, and this is 4. 144 marks you are getting from here. Okay? This is not a poor number. Done. ठीक है ना. So these things you can maintain ना. Physics, देखो physics करना बहुत easy है. It's not difficult. तो अभी हमारा strategy क्या होना चाहिए? If you have gone through 11th class also sincerely, keep on revising those topics also. जैसे क्या होता है ना कि 12th class में जब हम आते हैं तो we completely stay away from class 11th thing. This is not the wise thing to do actually. तो कैसे carry out करना है, क्योंकि आपका schedule तो काफी tight होगा. You will have to like you will be having so many works at hand. So in that packed schedule, how you will make sure कि class 11th भी carry हो? So I will suggest one thing for physics. What is important? Important is suppose कर लो कि in one week I'm just picking 1 week. चलो मैं यहाँ पे डिस्कस करती. हाँ चलो, let's take 1 week. So in this week, suppose I am teaching you what? I am teaching you electrostat. ठीक है? So definitely, if I am teaching electrostat, I will be giving you what? Homework. You need to do that. Again, there might be test in some week. Done. Also, you will be reading chemistry, physics, math, biology. तो सारे सब्जेक्ट्स का तुम्हें पढ़ना होगा, होमवर्क करना होगा, काइंड ऑफ. सो हाउ टू रिवाइज क्लास 11. तो आई विल सजेस्ट, सपोज कर लो फर्स्ट वीक में इलेक्ट्रोस्टैट पढ़ा एंड यू वांट टू रिवाइज ग्रेविटेशन. ठीक है, यू वांट टू रिवाइज ग्रेविटेशन. तो व्हाट इज द वे ऑफ रिवीजन? कैसे करना होता है जनरली ना. इन नवोदय आई हैव सीन स्टूडेंट्स हाउ दे रिवाइज. क्या करते हैं वो? They will open books or copies or notes, whatever it is. They will go through that. उसको पढ़ते हैं, read करते हैं. They will go through that, and after going through all the pages, they will feel like revision is over. ऐसे नहीं करना है. That won't help you. What you do now? You just pick 4 questions from gravitation, 4 previous year questions from gravitation. 4 previous year question तुमने pick कर लिया. Now you are having 4 questions. तो आप बोलोगे मैम हमने तो टॉपिक रिवाइज ही नहीं किया, we don't know the formula, we don't know anything, so how we will be solving these 4 questions? Don't worry. Question number 1 पे जाओ, read the question and just think like what things you have forgotten. है ना? ऐसा नहीं हुआ होगा कि ग्रेविटेशन का तुम सब भूल गए होगे, कुछ चीजें भूले होगे. So whatever you have forgotten, for that you go through the notes. हाँ, मुझे रिंग क्या फॉर्मूला होता है, डेस्क पे कैसे निकालते हैं जी, वो भूल रहे, गो थ्रू दैट, बट डोंट गो थ्रू ऑल. है ना? तो पिक क्वेश्चंस, ट्राई सॉल्विंग दैट क्वेश्चंस. थ्रू दैट क्वेश्चन, इफ यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि सम टॉपिक्स यू हैव फॉरगॉटन, गो थ्रू दैट टॉपिक ओनली. अगेन पिक अनदर क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, ट्राई डूइंग इट. इफ यू फील लाइक कि अगेन कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट मिसिंग है, check with that concept only. Again, don't go through the all. So इस तरह से first week में you revised gravitation, you solved some 4 questions from gravitation. Also, you pick some 2 questions from 1D motion, and you pick some 2 questions from 2D motion. So how many questions? 4 2 6 2 8. तो चलो मैं एक वीक के लिए सिर्फ 8 ही क्वेश्चन रखती हूँ, so 8 questions you're doing, but in this 1 week you are in touch with gravitation, 1D motion, 2D motion. Staying in touch is very important. Done. Again in second week you pick some other chapter. इस तरह से keep it in your head कि हर week में you have to pick some chapter, some questions, make sure कि you're solving some 8 to 10 question, whatever you like, जितना भी तुम्हारा टाइम अलाउ करता है, do accordingly. I'm not putting pressure upon you people. How much free time you're having, just look into that. अगर 8 नहीं 6 होता है तो 6 ही करो, but don't just let it stay in ignorance. No. तो रिवीजन बहुत जरूरी है. क्लास 11th को भी you can carry with yourself. ठीक है, तो ये काम करना पड़ेगा. डन. इस तरह से क्या होगा, इस तरह से अगर स्ट्रैटेजी करोगे तो you will be easily able to solve, or you will be easily able to get how much marks, 200 marks. और 200 marks के बाद you will be very happy after 1 year, this time happily counseling for some good college, and then you will get into college and you will enjoy 4 years in your campus. If you're a medical student, you will be enjoying 5 years in your campus, and after that you will again get placed, live your life, है ना. तो मेहनत तो करनी पड़ेगी. If you want the life, you need to work, है ना, and work persistently, daily. Motivation जहां भी low हो रहा है, talk with your teachers, talk with me, talk with your friends, have a healthy positive conversation. ऐसा नहीं है हर दिन इंसान पॉजिटिव नहीं रहता है. What will happen if you're following रूटीन ना, कभी कभी ये रूटीन बहुत भारी पड़ जाता है. Sometimes it will drain you. You will feel like it's getting very heavy. तो मैं ये सजेस्ट करूंगी, उस संडे को, उस सैटरडे को आराम से सो जाओ. Just sleep from 8 to 6 in the morning. तो जब भी बर्डन फील हो, और एंजॉय कर लो. टॉक विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, हैव सम चिट चैट, पॉजिटिव वाला, है ना, बेकार वाला चिट चैट नहीं जो तुम्हें और टेंशन दे दे. डन. तो डन. एनीथिंग इफ यू वांट टू आस्क, कोई क्वेरी है, इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन रिगार्डिंग क्लासेस और एनीथिंग यू कैन आस्क. कुछ भी है तो बताओ. I will be waiting for you people now. I want to hear something. कुछ तो बताओ. कुछ नहीं कहना. गाना है ना, कब तक चुप बैठे, अब तो कुछ है बोलना. बोलो. Which music you people enjoy? Original, Hindi, English? चलो कुछ आउट ऑफ जोन बातें करते हैं ना, बहुत हो गया पढ़ाई. क्योंकि this out of zone timing you will be getting only today. कुछ तो बोलो. अच्छा, कुछ ऐसे लोग भी होंगे who must be thinking like कि यार ना तो इंजीनियर बनना है ना ही डॉक्टर बनना है. हाँ, is there someone like that? कुछ नहीं. चलो ठीक है, फिर मैं ही बकवास कर लेती हूँ थोड़ी देर और. So even if you think like कि ना तो मुझे इंजीनियरिंग करनी है, but I feel like कि whatever the crowd is here, you all must be either wishing for G or NEET, है ना, but still exception is everywhere. चलो उनके लिए भी थोड़ी बातें कर लेते हैं. So for those kind of people I will say still you need to be honest with your work. Honest in the sense like if you have to change your stream, done. So if you want to change your stream, what you need to do after class 12, again, you need to go into a good college. Good colleges are very important. I must tell you now, after class 12, getting into a good college should be your target, be it an engineering college, medical college, or some art college, whatever college it is, okay? Getting into good college is very important. Or for good college, either तुम G दे रहे हो, through G you are getting into जो भी art ये वाले student होंगे ना, there are some students who are very much interested in drawing things और artistic होते हैं जो बच्चे है ना, those people are also having a scope through G. G के through तुम्हारा जैसे fashion designing and all things are also there, done. So वैसे लोगों के लिए भी G is there, done. Agar still you want to follow something very much different, music or something, again you need to get into good college for that. And good college, how you will get, कुछ का तो entrance होता है, अभी तो entrance exam हो गया है ना, so for that you need to prepare again. एक overall कुछ exam का नाम है, I'm not exactly, that is not coming into my head, but something is there. So for that also you need to prepare, and you need to be honest with your class 12 syllabus, with your board exam. So for that also you need to go through each and every exercise properly. So for good college, you need to be honest this 1 year at least. ठीक है, तो टारगेट करो कि कोई अच्छे कॉलेज मिल जाए. If you are into good college now, after that your mind will broaden up. Done. Mostly what happens, all engineers don't end up being an engineer. बहुत ज्यादा diversification है वहां पे. क्यों? क्योंकि in the college you will be getting a very different kind of environment. Like you will get opportunity to explore whatever you have been loving since your childhood. Like if some people are interested in writing poetry, or some people are interested in singing, dancing, all sorts of platforms you will be getting in your college. You will get opportunity to explore all these things, and you will also get enough time for that. Because Saturday, Sunday, तो यार engineering college में छुट्टी होती है. So enough time is there. Also syllabus burden is not there. So enough time is there. And if you are sincere, again, there also you need to be sincere. If you are sincere, you will explore all your hobbies, your passions, and that might give you very different direction later in your life. Okay? So honesty तो हर जगह रखनी पड़ेगी. और for medical students, they have very secure future. After 5 years, you are a doctor, but still you need to do PG, MD and all. But secure future they are having. Engineers को थोड़ा struggle करना पड़ता है, but done. ठीक है? So each one of you just promise me one thing, कि you people will be attending classes and test properly. चलो कितने लोग promise कर रहे हो? Just let me know that. I just need promise out of everyone here. Do promise now. चलो हाथ ही उठा दो, जितने लोग promise किए हो ना हाथ उठा दो बस, out of 8 or 9 people here. नहीं, कोई promise नहीं आओगे. चलो एक message तो आया. I'm very happy with that red thing popping up, you know. Okay, thank you. कुछ तो सुनने को मिला. That's good. That's a relief. Others, please take effort. Effort लो. मुझे पता चल रहा है तुम लोग को लिखने में तकलीफ हो रही है, but please take that तकलीफ for me. Okay, thank you. Vizag is a very beautiful place, है ना? JNV Simuga. Done. Great. Simuga, Vizag, Rajkot. I have been to Vizag. That's a very beautiful place. More people, please. One more Jendi I can spot, that is Jendi Surendra Nagar. Where it is? Which place exactly? From the name it's not clear. Rajkot is in Gujarat, no? If I'm correct. My geography is very bad.
Surendranagar is in Gujarat.
Okay. 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 Thank you. Any questions? Anyone? Thank you for all your promises, and I want you to stick to it. मैं अपनी promise रखूंगी, but you people also should stick with it, है ना? ऐसा नहीं आज बनाए कल तोड़ दिए. Done. चलो ठीक है. तो let's get ready for 1 year journey with me. I will be teaching you physics. My name is Akshmala for those who joined late. ठीक है. तो 1 साल के लिए we will be here together, reading, progressing, enjoying, and seeing each other's progress. I want you to see getting placed in good colleges after class 12 this year. Sorry, next year this time. Okay? So that's what happened. Chalo. So I wish everyone all the best. मिलते ही रहेंगे. तो कल भी क्लास होगी. Let's meet tomorrow. तब तक के लिए bye bye, tata, take care, and stay good, positive, happy, healthy. Bye bye.